Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Papu Hotelier. So today we just come to visit. Uh, so basically it's a mountain in Korda district. It's called Mamu Banaja. It's a very genuine view actually. I'm just climbing off. I start climbing and I will show you how is it once I touch the top.
So this is very messy. It's very top part. This is the view from Mamu Bananja Pahar. This is a Chilika lake. It's very close to Bananja Pahar. You can see this total area very close to another hill, that is Solari Pahar, and this is a top of mountain. We are just climb half of mountain. So we have to climb this much more actually. We are tried actually almost more than 200 feet we climbed. So let's climb. Once I'll top this top, I will show you guys. Till time, wait. Thank you so much.